You told me to do more burping videos. Here goes nothing. I'm going to try to burp every word from now on. Starting now.
What's up?
Oh, me? Well, I have 3 strikes. So, yeah. Well, I don't have 3 strikes.
2, 4,
Yeah.
What? You, boy.
Oh, my boyfriend.
Boy.
My boyfriend.
Yes. This is very hard.
Oh my god, that's before I did my hair.
I wonder if they'll show them the video.
I don't know. What was I doing? What were we doing?
I have to get my unladylikeness out before homecoming. I only have 9 days? 9 days.
I'm getting a dress, but I'm not going to any of the dances.
You're going to get ready whether you like it or not.
No, I'm not going. I'm not going to any of the dances this year. I'm going to lock myself in my room and become a fat potato-y person. I'm serious. I'm going to.
You're going.
No.
What if you date that one kid in your grade that I'm not saying the name of because we're on YouTube? Then will you go?
The one who plays football?
Does he play football?
Does it start with an E or a V?
V.
Yeah, he plays football.
Who's E?
Eric Grimm.
Ah.
I just did that video. I'm not ashamed of it.
I'm gonna catch the world on fire.
I said
the world, not my head.
I'll set your world on fire.
Why is it on me?
I don't know. I'm putting on a song. I want to pick someone somewhere. No.
Butt face.
Someone somewhere.
The fuck?
We set the fridge on fire.
Maybe 10?
10.
I'm getting annoyed. Mother fudger.
Oh my
burping yet?
Yeah.
Okay, the only reason why I burp... I couldn't find them. Thank you. The only reason why I was burping was because someone commented on our burping contest videos to make more burping videos. So here's another burping video for you. I don't remember your name. I'm gonna look you up. I'm turning off the song. Hi, YouTube. Hey, we're gonna have a burping contest. It's from. I have to open it. Let's see. Cannel von Savensen Fan 1?
I don't know.
We can't pronounce your name. But, yeah. Thanks for watching our videos. What the fuck is on my face? Okay, I got it off. I wonder how long that was there.
Back.
Go away!
I'm going to the couch.
Bye. Wait.
Goodbye.
Peace out, YouTube.